Hello, 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 everybody. It's Christine. It is time for my unboxing of my Color Rush Studio July main kit, design team kit. And well, it's the same thing you guys get. I just happen to get it as a design team member. I will say that the Mr. Postman has been slow. And yesterday, it was late. I got it late yesterday afternoon. He actually showed up. He pulled up in the driveway. We were outside working, doing construction-y stuff. And he pulls up in the driveway in this random minivan. It was freaking me out. And he gets out, he goes, oh, it's the postman. His wife's car had broken down. So he's delivering the mail in his wife's car. So that might explain some of the delay on me getting my box. So if you haven't already seen another design team member unboxing, there are multiple DT members that do that. And then also, of course, there's been probably a few layouts posted already at this point. So I'm behind the curve. So I've been avoiding looking at it on purpose so that I can be surprised. Although I have seen sneak peeks. Okay, let's get going because I need to shut up. So first off, it always comes as cute. I use these papers, you guys. I used the star ones last month. Make sure when you get these kits here that you save these papers. So let's see what we got. And I know it is also mostly exclusives, if not all. I think maybe just the letters aren't. So she's designed these, Miss Charla. Oh, by the way, don't forget to check my link out below. To do the subscription, you can... she's got a special going on, and also you can get a 10% discount on your first order if you use Christine10 for your first order. So, I don't know how that works on a subscription, but somehow or another you get discounts. Okay, let's see what we got. Sorry about the glare. I'm going to pull it out of this bag, so let's see what we got. Oops, the box fell. I love opening these. This is like Christmas, and it's every month, you guys. That's what's so fun about these things. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this. Let me put this exclusive stuff aside first, and let's go through the papers. Look at this gorgeous color palette. First off, I love this like teal aqua, I guess. And then we have this gorgeous yellow with this soft kind of peachy pink here. I love this little like diamond design. And I don't know what's behind it. Oh, bubbles almost looking. There's like little bubble pieces. So that is a gorgeous piece of paper, you guys. And then look at the back. It's little ice cream cones with like a wood grain. Do you see this kind of really pale pink wood grain behind here? This is gorgeous. So you could either cut these out. You could definitely fussy cut these. This is wonderful. What a fun color palette. I love that. All right, now we have this wonderful wreath circle thing with these berries, which how fun is that? I mean, summertime, there's all about berries. These blueberries, raspberries, what is that? Blackberries, but they're not really dark black. So, oh, there's a little yellowy ones too. I'm sure those have a name. I do like these. I like actually cutting out the whites and then along here and then having it kind of pop up. So we'll see what I do this month. Not sure. And then a really cute heart, little kind of hand scribbly heart in this yellow tone that goes with this yellow flower here. Isn't that pretty? I love that. And then here's a really pretty wood grain, you guys. I'm a wood grain. I'm kind of a, I'm not going to sit here and tell you, I'm a sucker for wood grain. Let's just be honest. When I go to convention and there's open stock, I'll buy wood grain papers in those all day long. Doesn't matter who the maker is. This has got a great little floral cluster with the berries and little leafy bits. Again, you could fussy cut these out. You could, I like to kind of, like I said, cut along the sides of these. This is a great little wood grain. And our backside is a nice plaid. So we have the pink, the kind of yellowy color, a little darker, I don't know, is that like a, can you guys even see? There we go, that's a little better. Kind of a darker orange maybe, but that's a really pretty palette. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So we have this kind of pattern on a diagonal, and this could be definitely cut to give you like little wordy bits. You could fussy cut these pieces with the glasses. You could fussy cut this if you want to. Summer, summer, summer. This is great. It's kind of almost like a little plaid with pattern, with shapes. I love the little ice cream cones. That is really pretty. Ooh, we got a diagonal stripe. Look at that. A diagonal stripe in kind of that dark, burnt, it's not burnt orange. That's not really right. It's like a really deep, like tangerine. Maybe that's a better name. Tangerine. I'm gonna call it tangerine because that's more summery. That's really pretty. And then a bunch of little ice cream cones. Look at that. And they kind of got a little drop shadow on top of like a blue, grittish type pattern. Again, I love this palette. You got your yellow, you got your pink, you got your blue. And then we have a vertical stripe. I love all these versatile patterns on the back side. What a great A-B combination. We have actually introduced a little green here. I think it's been in the leaves as well, so it's not like it's a brand new color out of the palette here, but it's definitely more subtle. And I love the little like olive green here. So we have pinks, yellows, kind of this little soft blue, and then we've introduced a little green. Now we have, look how gorgeous. What are these flowers, you guys? I want to say like a begonia, but I don't know flowers to save my life. So that could be a totally different flower. But again, you could fussy cut these guys. These are great little embellishments. That is so pretty. And we have a yellow polka dot. Look at that. That's great. Again, a great B-side. I love it when the A's have a art and the B's have a nice neutral, or not neutral, but like a base shape / pattern to use. Now this might be reintroduced. Yes, so these are basically, you get 2 sheets. So here's again our ice cream cones, popsicles with our florals. I'm not going to tear these apart just so I don't have to spend time on it. Hearts and wreath, plaid and wood grain, diagonal stripe. So you can kind of see you get 2 of each of these. All right. So how many is that, you guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we get 12 sheets of paper with this kit, you guys. This is a great, I'm going to set this out like this because, let me see here. I don't want to undo my second half. How can I do this? I do it like this because I do like the little hearts. I'm going to do like this maybe. Let's do that. These are cute. Let's just do it like that. Okay. So that's our papers. Now let's look at our, okay, the letters that came with are the Thicker's Cool Girl. Look at that. That is a great, it's a nice little foam letter and it has a little outline on a pink. That is so cute, you guys. And I love that it has the numbers and you got your exclamation points. I love this font. I love these little kind of wonky R's. I'm a sucker for the wonk, y'all. So there's that. Now, here's some of my favorites. Look at the, I have to show you this. Look at this. I saw somebody kind of sneak peek this and I was like, oh my gosh. They're tiny little ice cream poofs. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. And it's soft. There's pink, purple, and blue. Oh, that's so cute. This could be cute on a card too, you know? And then, let's see what else we have here. Oh, acrylics. I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving her acrylics. I really like the ones that have the wood and the acrylic, but this one has sparkles. Look how fun. Let's see what we have. Oh, you guys. Okay, so we have popsicles. Look at this. Look at these shiny, sparkly popsicles. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. And then we have Yummy. And then we have little eyeglasses, little sunglasses. That's so cute. Then we have, I can't tell, I gotta open this. I can't tell if it's fabric or if it's like a thick paper. I think it's fabric because she typically does fabric. Oh yes. These are so sweet. They're little soft puffy fabric flowers. And they're like a, what's that called, gingham? That is just beautiful. I love that. I remember as a child wearing like little gingham clothes. It seems like it's a little retro in a way. They're very like sweet, like for babies. I think this little pattern, this little texture is for like baby clothes. Then we have ephemera, bits and pieces. Let's see what we got going on here. Like I said, you guys, I've only seen some sneak peeks. I haven't even really seen. Okay, so we have these cute, I probably should have picked, should I do the white? Let's do it over here. So maybe we can see. Can you guys see that? Yes, okay. I think. Yeah, there's a little glare. Sorry, guys, I don't know how to make it not glare. Maybe if I move it. There we go. Look at our little ice cream cones. Okay, I've got to go looking for some ice cream cone pictures. Look at these yummy ice creams, y'all. I wouldn't say it's exactly photorealistic, but it's kind of. And then we have a flip-flop. We have some pretty gorgeous flowers. Look at these flowers, you guys. Oops, I dropped it in that. And then we have some little popsicles here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We got a different flavor. Ha, 3 of the same flavor and then different flavor. Then we have a flower. And we have sunglasses. And we have a smaller little popsicle. And then we have a shiny one. This is like a little glittery popsicle. And then we have Life is Better in flip-flops. I don't think these are stickers. Are these stickers? Oh, they are stickers, you guys. I think these are stickers. They are. So this might be a sticker. I think that's a sticker. Sunrise, sunburn, sunset, repeat. I've got, my daughter has, they just went to the Bahamas, and I bet I've got some pictures of her. Life is better in flip-flops. And then we have a cute little like journaling card with some popsicles. And then summer, summer, summer. Oh, and my matching flip-flop. Oh, and another pair of sunglasses and another flower. Okay, that's a, oh, and another flower. Look at that, you guys. Look at all that. That's a lot of options. And then we have, of course, our frazzles. Our frazzles. I love these, you guys, with the edges here. So the pretty little like pink and white gingham. We have 2 pom-poms this time, which totally makes sense. If you think about these little pops, ice cream cones, this looks like the little edges of the ice cream cones, kind of. And then we have a green and white little frazzle. So this is our kit for July. I believe she's called it Sweet Summer. So make sure you check out my links below. We'll have the website, and you can go check out that. Make sure, again, the code Christine10, you can get a discount. And then there's a Facebook group. So make sure you join that Facebook group. There's actually usually a challenge in there. There's a sketch challenge and like a prompt that goes with that. So I will be getting into that in just a moment to see what I need to do with my papers here in my lovely kit. So you guys have a lovely day, and we will see you next time. Bye.